Hi, I'm Ryan Couch, CMO of NetBrain. We are thrilled to invite our customer and partner community to Boston for our second annual NetBrain Live User Conference. We are so excited for our community to discover firsthand how preventive automation powered by Agentic AI is solving their toughest IT challenges, accelerating business outcomes, and preventing network outages before they happen. We got keynote presentations, hands-on workshops, one-on-one interaction, and interactive technology experiences. We'll learn from top innovators solving those tough challenges, all plus great networking, live music, and a Boston Harbor dinner cruise. I'm here with our CEO Lingping Gao, our CTO Song Pang, and our CRO Bo Thurmond. Song, we'll start with you. What are you most excited about showcasing this year?
Thanks, Ryan. Pleasure to be here and hope everyone joins us. I'm really excited. This year, we're going to introduce something new, the concept of a customer roundtable, where our customers can elect to join in, participate, share your best practices with others, learn how to get adoption, how to get value, what are those really cool problems that other customers have solved. This is going to be the place to be. We still have the very engaging sessions. This year, we really focus on 4 primary tracks in troubleshooting, outage prevention, change, and digital twin and intent. That's our bread and butter. One of the big hits last year was the 14 interactive booths. Our customers were able to interact with our experts, the NetBrain experts, and they really have a hands-on experience of our technology. And this year, we're pretty excited because there's going to be a 15th one, and that one's going to be an AI experience center. And last but not least, I think is our workshops. All of our customers are engineers at heart, whatever position they're in. And when they really went on to actually experience it in a structured-led way, everything came to life.
Very excited for your keynote presentation, Song, as well. But you hit the nail on the head. It's those real-world stories from our customers that make the difference. And Bo, those are the same customers you're talking with day in and day out. Tell us what you're excited about for those few days in Boston.
The most exciting thing about NetBrain Live is getting our customers together and letting them exchange how they're getting value out of the NetBrain platform. Bringing them together, giving them our thought leadership that come from LP and Song, but also facilitating the ability for them to work together and speak with one another about how they can get more value out of NetBrain, I think is tremendously rewarding.
Thank you, Bo. Appreciate your leadership. And LP, at the end of the day, it's all about discovering, diagnosing, and defending multi-vendor hybrid networks with a live digital twin. And no one else can deliver that like NetBrain. Any final thoughts as we welcome folks to Boston?
What I would look forward to is still AI, Agentic AI. Really once in a lifetime technology transformation. Biggest thing is called a deep diagnosis. A technology is capable of finding root cause for 99% of the problems. It's really now able to win the trust of human.
Great, LP. Thanks, Song, Bo, LP. Very excited to see everyone here in Boston.